Hi, we are back with another video. In today's video, we are going to replace a battery of gaming laptop gs66. This laptop is from MSI and it's a gaming laptop. So this is the laptop gs66. Looks like this. You have the same laptop. You can follow the steps and change the battery. So in my case, um, I will be taking out the battery for this laptop from another laptop which I have already. So actually we are reviving one laptop from another one. So this is the another one. It's the same like this one. This laptop has no back cover also, so we will be adding this back cover to this one. Plus we will add the battery. Let's open this. As you can see, there is one battery. So we will be taking out this one. If you don't know the model number of your battery, then you can see from this video. This is the authentic original battery PTY M6M. This is the model number for this laptop. For battery, okay, we don't need anything else other than back cover and the battery. We'll put this aside and it looks good. Let's clean the laptop. Okay, now first check the battery. I think okay. Let's add the battery now. Nice and easy. Add the screws. Check which screw we need to put because okay, we will be adding this one and this is very long. We need a small screw. Like this. Here as well. And here as well. And then here on the left side. Okay, now we will attach the connector of the battery. Be careful while doing this because all pins should go in the same hole in front of it. First check if all are good, then push inside like this. Good. Now adjust the cable because cable will come on the way of the back cover if you will not put it nicely to its location. Just clean the RAM slot, put the RAM, and then we will add one SSD. So we have the SSD now, 512 GB, Western Digital, NVMe. So clean the slot. It has two slots for SSD. One is PCIe and SATA, and one is PCIe only. PCIe is the NVMe. Okay, so this slot is for this only. So we will put this here so that later if we need, we can use this one for SATA. I don't use automatic drill machines or screwdrivers because you cannot feel the power that you are putting on. Okay, so in this video actually you can do three things. If you follow this video, if you want to upgrade RAM and SSD, you can follow this video, and even if you want to change or replace the battery, you can follow this video. Okay, so we have put all things. Now we will close the back cover which we took from the another laptop. This laptop back cover should go inside this side panel, like this area. You can see it's going inside. Same should go from here also. It is not going, so we will push through and check for any. As you can see, it is not going inside from this area. We will open it again and see. It is here. One screw is already stuck. We will remove this. This. Okay. It should go inside from this area also. Now going inside. Good. Now let's put. Okay. This screw should not be put on the battery because this is for back cover actually. This one. Take it out again and put after. Okay. Okay. Yes. We need we need one key over here as well. Let this later. First we will check it. Let's clean this screen. Now which this needs one. So as you can see, we have the display and the battery is charging. 23% is showing right now. You lift it here, 53%. So I hope this video will help those who wants to change the battery or replace the battery or upgrade the RAM or SSD. Okay. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative laptop related videos. Thank you. Bye bye.